Hi, I'm Lily. Growing up can feel like a big adventure. And I'm so glad you're here. And I'm so glad you're here to explore it with me. Growing up can feel a little wobbly. Like a mix of happy and sad all at once.
But you are never alone. Nature has always been a quiet teacher, showing us the beauty of change. Your body is smart. It follows its own beautiful rhythm, growing, resting, and starting fresh.
Growing up is not a secret to be kept, but a story to be celebrated. The Adventures of Lily and the Body's Big Secret, a gentle guide for every growing girl.
Find The Adventures of Lily and the Body's Big Secret on Amazon soon.